First step, when your purpose, when you know what is that you're preparing for, when you have a strong purpose, the other things become simpler. So you need to exhibit patience. And also, when your purpose itself is strong, and even you would be able to exhibit persistence as well. So I feel these 5 P's are very much important. And coming to the interview process, whether it is for Lucknow or some other college, my way of preparation was I focused primarily on introspection.
Hello Kiran, welcome back to Krakow interview series.
Thank you, thank you. It's my pleasure to be here.
Right, so you converted IIM Lucknow. So first of all, a big congratulations on that.
Thank you so much.
So how has the journey been?
So, I mean, it is a completely a roller coaster ride because
Right.
see, right from CAT, because since this is my second attempt already,
Right.
again, the CAT process and then again the interview process, you get an interview call from the IIMs and then again you prepare for it. So again, and you do not know what the professor would be asking you at the end of the day.
Right.
So it was completely a roller coaster ride, and it was more of a spontaneous process. So whatever the professor throws a question at you, you're supposed to be spontaneous at that point in time, and then show your skills.
Great. So firstly, can you tell us about the personal interview? How did you prepare for the personal interview and each stage of the whole interview process?
So I would like to generalize a bit over here. So what I feel is, for any endeavor, not only for CAT or the interview preparation, so what I feel is 5 P's are very much important, which are basically the purpose, plan, practice, patience, and persistence.
Okay.
So at the first step, when your purpose, when you know what is that you're preparing for, when you have a strong purpose, the other things become simpler.
Right.
So whether it could be the plan or else practice or even patience, because you need to be a lot of you need to exhibit patience in many of the cases. So because the CAT itself is like a marathon,
Right.
so you need to exhibit patience. And also when your purpose itself is strong, and even you would be able to exhibit persistence as well. So I feel these 5 P's are very much important. And coming to the interview process, whether it is for Lucknow or some other college, my way of preparation was I focused primarily on introspection, my own introspection. Because see, after the pandemic, since the interviews have moved online, so interview duration shortened. It was hardly 10 minutes interview.
right. Yes.
It was hardly 10 minutes interview. So if you have to put your entire love gen, what is the professor would be looking at you? He would be looking at your personal traits, or else what your experiences or what you would be adding to the table is what
Yes.
professor looks at. So if you have to put almost 20 to 25 years of your life journey in 10 minutes or hardly 5 minutes, so a lot of introspection is required.
That's right.
And then you
Yes.
need to prepare a story around it, so that even professor gets interested in listening about it. So that is what I primarily focus on, apart from general awareness and daily current affairs.
Okay.
So introspection is what I focus primarily on.
Okay, brilliant. So can you tell us what were the kind of questions that were asked in the interview, and was there any specific question that took you by surprise?
So one thing that I want to focus here on is, see, do not ever utter a word if you are not very much confident about it,
Okay.
or else which you are not very much prepared for. So each and every point that you utter, professor would be having a cross question against it. So in my case, in the Lucknow interview specifically, so first question was to introduce myself. So I started myself saying that the Kiran that you are seeing now is completely different from Kiran who was 4 years ago.
Okay.
So I was basically an introvert, is what I said. So professor stopped, interrupted me over there. I had a chance to convert my interview just using introduction itself. But since I uttered a word introvert, see, the entire interview changed.
Right.
So it was more on what is an introvert, who is an extrovert, so what is wrong in being an introvert. So the entire interview changed. So however, fortunately, I was able to convince the professor,
Right.
and I was able to manage, but you're supposed to look at each and every word that you utter.
That's right. Okay. So,
And the other questions, coming back to the other questions, so that was something. And also the other few questions were basically regarding my work experience, basically.
Okay.
So what does my organization do, or else what is my work basically, and what does the client that I serve to do. So you are also supposed to have a fine grip over all those topics. So whatever you do, there is no need to have a broader outlook. At least whatever you do, you are supposed to have in-depth knowledge.
Okay.
And a couple of questions again on my academics part, basically
Right.
during BTech. So
Yes.
I come from an EC background. So a couple of questions on digital electronics were thrown at me. Since I'm from an EC background, they asked me about the spectrum auction.
Okay.
So what is the difference between 4G and 5G, and why should the government auction it rather than giving it for free? So a few questions on the daily current affairs as well, general awareness as well. And then I was done.
Perfect. So finally, what are some tips that you would like to give the future CAT aspirants?
Coming down to the tips, I cannot generalize here because each and every person's mode of preparation or way of grasping would be completely different. Understanding things would be completely different. So one thing that I would like to advise is, see, we are living in a materialistic world. Nobody cares how much effort that you have put into for achieving a specific task. All they would be looking is what is that you have achieved at the end of the day.
Yeah.
So what I say is, I mean, however hard you try hard, stay focused, stay motivated, and remember, it's not the amount of time that you put in; it's the result that you achieve at the end of the day is more important.
Right. So thank you so much, Kiran. You gave some very valuable insights, and all the best for your journey to IIM Lucknow.
Thank you so much.